Well, hello there. Welcome back to Fixin' Stuff, episode 2. Today, we're going to show you a little trick on how to get your dryer duct cleared out. Sometimes your dryer sensor might tell you that the dryer duct is actually clogged and it needs to be cleaned. You might need to get it professionally cleaned, but if you've already done that and it's still clogged, you might need to try something else. So that's where this comes in handy, a leaf blower. So today I'm going to show you a little trick how to ensure that your dryer duct is truly cleaned out. So grab your leaf blower and follow me. Alright, me and Kate here to show you one way to blow out that clogged dryer duct. So you see dryer duct here, bucket, little clamp holding the little door open. We're going to go inside with a leaf blower and see what comes out when we give this thing a blow. So keep watching. Okay, so in order to blow the dryer ducting, you need a blower and your dryer duct tube or whatever you call it. And you just put the leaf blower into the tube and then you pull the trigger and voila. So, and you might want a face mask or some glasses just in case some dust comes blowing back out at you. Here we go. Not sure what all came out there, but we'll take a look. Hopefully you saw a good show. Okay, now what we're doing is we're using what we call in our family the long grabber tool. And we're gonna reach it up in here and just kind of pull out all that gunk that the leaf blower blew out that you just saw a minute ago. So, oh, look out, Kate. But yeah, so I'm gonna mask up here, because this actually does keep out large dust particles, and we're going to put on these glasses to protect our eyes. So it's a preference though. I'm not mandating that you wear the same PPE that I'm wearing, but it might help you. Okay, and as you can see, we got large chunks of lint coming out of here. Now I'm just using a kid's beach sand bucket, which I plan to clean out, don't worry. But you can use really any bucket, or no bucket, just depends on what kind of a mess you want to make. We're going to go ahead and do one more blow and see if we can get to blow more of this dust out. What do you think, Kate? Yeah? Kate thinks we should give it one more try too. Okay, so that was the second time blowing the dryer duct out, and I think you saw a bunch more lint come out. We're going to try it a third time, so let's see how much we can blow out this time. Alright, here we go.
Here you go. Juice out.
Yeah, we just blew a bunch more lint out. That was the third time. It looks pretty clear now, but we're going to try it one more time. Can you tell them we're going to try it one more time?
We're going to try it one more time.
Alright. Do you think more lint's going to come out?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. So if you're still cleaning out your dryer duct, have no fear. Just keep pulling the trigger on your blower and come clear it out to clear out the end of the duct work for stuff to blow out. And as you can see, each time we've done it, more and more stuff is blown out. I think the last time, that third time, Kelsey, what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kelsey thinks so too. Alright, let's go. Try it. For the fourth time, we're going to blow the duct work out and see how much more comes out. Come over here.
High five.
Okay, and what we like to do in our house, especially with Kelsey here, is we like to do high fives. Do you do high fives? So if you just did a good job cleaning out your dryer duct, go ahead and find somebody and give a high five, right? High five. Good job. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but those leaves are not being blown by the wind. They're actually being blown by free-flowing air
I saw it.
coming out of our recently cleaned dryer duct. Kelsey's showing you by pushing on the flap that there is air coming out of there, and whenever she lets go, the air pushes it back open. And you can even hear the dryer now.
You can even see the dryer. You almost see that?
And then you can see a little bit of lint being blown around by the dryer exhaust, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that sums up our little tutorial on how to clean
I got it.
out your dryer duct. Good job, Kelsey. And there's our bucket of dryer lint. It's probably about half a bucket full. That's a big sand bucket right there. And plus all the stuff that got blown out on the ground here. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, welcome back. I hope that that was very helpful for you, and that if you were trying to learn how to clear out your dryer duct, that maybe the leaf blower did the trick for you. Also, if this video was helpful for you, please like and share, as it may help somebody else trying to clear out their dryer duct. And if you have a leaf blower on hand, it could come in handy for more than just blowing leaves. Also want to thank Kelsey and Kate for their guest appearances today and assisting us with clearing out a clogged dryer duct. See you next time on Fixin' Stuff.